Here's a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Unmatched comfort and the confidence to challenge anyone or anything. The removable top and fold and tumble seats offer endless possibilities for fun and cargo hauling, while 4 doors offer ease for anyone getting in on the adventure. Initiate the fun with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and 4-wheel drive. This Jeep promotes your wild side with a tough and washable interior with drain plugs, an underbody that is protected by skid plates, and safety features to protect you, including electronic stability control and advanced multi-stage front airbags. While rugged capability is certainly what this Wrangler is best known for, you'll fawn over the refinement of the comfortable interior too. Your status symbol, but much more than a trophy. Test drive this capable Wrangler Unlimited today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.